What's up guys? This is Ron from Ronan. So this is the DJI, yung advance gift ng wife ko sa akin. So she bought me this DJI Creator Combo Pocket 3. So ito mismo yung na-unbox natin. I will be uploading or na-upload ko na by this time yung unboxing ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. And by means of this, kasi uh, merong mga issues before yung Creator Combo 3, like medyo nasisira daw kapag ginagamit yung slide or so. So may mga napanood kaming ganun na vlogs or ng mga video sa FYP. So this is our DJI and this is the Pocket 3. So ingat na ingat dapat. And I would like to show you ano yung mga binili namin outside of this package. So itong nasa likod na to is hindi nakasama sa package na from DJI. So this one, isa-isahin natin, no? So ilalagay ko muna sa side. We have this one, the SanDisk memory card. So with this one, galing kami kahapon sa Mall of Asia. So we found out na iba-iba pala yung memory card. So merong pang cellphone, merong high endurance card na for cameras kapag may CCTV ka. And this one is extreme. So this is for action cam. And meron pa kaming na-search, which is yun yung na-search namin sa YouTube, na pangalan is Extreme Pro, parang ganun, Extreme something. Yun is mas mahal pa. So pumunta kami sa Octagon yesterday, and this Extreme was priced around 3,500 or so. And then yung Extreme Pro naman nila is wala silang available, pero that's around 5,500. So, lumipat kami ngayon, tinuro nila kami sa SanDisk since walang available by that time. So, merong SanDisk na stante or kiosk sa may Cyberzone, Mall of Asia. So, we inquired na ito nga, pwede naman daw itong Extreme sa Action Cam. Yung Extreme Pro is mas mabilis lang daw yung data or something. So ngayon, ang pinagkaibahan lang is with the price. So sa SanDisk kasi na kiosk, I don't know why, pero mas mahal sila kesa dun sa DJI mismo na outlet. So nagtanong kasi yung asawa ko doon sa DJI outlet, this SanDisk Extreme 256GB is 2,500 lang sa DJI outlet. Pero doon sa SanDisk na outlet mismo, na talagang from SanDisk, that's 3,500. So, I don't know bakit ganun yung price.